Cobb Convention Center Atlanta, formerly Cobb Galleria Center, is undergoing a dramatic $190 million expansion and renovation. Work began in late 2025. The center remains open and is hosting events in the newly renovated space while work on the expansion progresses, and is slated for completion in early 2027. The brand new state-of-the-art event venue will include 377,000 square feet of overall space, updated exhibit halls, 2 ballrooms, an executive boardroom, amply sized meeting rooms, and an outdoor courtyard space. Event attendees will be greeted with a welcoming new arrival experience. A pedestrian-friendly, linear plaza creates a common connection with new, connected parking and the stunning 2-story entry lobby. A new restaurant with outdoor seating activates the pedestrian bridge connecting to the Battery Atlanta and Truist Park, home of the Atlanta Braves. The new daylit 2-story entry lobby offers a 360-degree experience where attendees are surrounded by glass on all sides. The lobby introduces the thematic elements of local rivers and trees, which are abundant throughout the entire venue. A grand stair, escalators, and elevator provide guests with a new circulation hub and convenient access to all areas of the facility. Take the escalator to the second level. The concourse is your landing spot to access the newly renovated exhibit halls. Natural light permeates the concourse, which includes a glass wall overlooking the new outdoor courtyard. Inside the exhibit hall, amenities include 144,000 square feet of flexible event space, divisible into 4 separate halls, renovated restrooms, upgraded food outlets. You can even set the mood in the halls and concourse with color-changing LED lights. Now let's visit the new executive boardroom. This space is truly the showpiece of the renovation and expansion. Conveniently located across from the exhibit halls, the boardroom also serves as an elevated hospitality suite or VIP lounge. The separate lounge area boasts a private restroom, an elegant chandelier with metallic leaves, and a private digital screen. The boardroom features a built-in food service area, a media wall with elevated wood millwork, and is replete with elevated finishes, graphic wall coverings, and carpeting inspired by koi fish. The 2-story Rotunda has been a signature space of the convention center since its inception and is known for the 3-sided pyramid at the crest of its dome. The sculptural chandelier is the new focal point, with a metallic finish that dances with the light that comes through the iconic pyramid. The renovated space features new finishes, wood tones, glass railings, video screens, and terrazzo flooring with an undulating river theme. The Rotunda now serves as the primary entrance for events in the Chattahoochee Ballroom. The Chattahoochee Grand Ballroom is our largest ballroom and has been entirely renovated with new wood finishes, wall coverings, chandeliers, updated restrooms, LED lights, and is equipped with advanced AV technology. Its 25,000 square feet of space is perfect for conventions, meetings, and the most exclusive social gatherings. Off the Rotunda, you will find a new connector hallway that takes guests to the new lobby, meeting rooms, courtyard, and junior ballroom. On your way, make sure you catch a bite to eat at the market, a grab-and-go area with coffee, sandwiches, and other to-go items. The expansion features 11 new meeting rooms, 6 on the first level and 5 on the second level. Meeting rooms range from 1,650 to 4,800 square feet and are appointed with state-of-the-art features. Side lights provide natural light, and shades are available for privacy. Integrated technology, AV, and LED lighting provide all the modern conveniences. Make your way back to the lobby, which connects directly to the entry to the Savannah Ballroom. The entry area provides elevated elegance with natural wood and metallic finishes and features banquettes with leather upholstery. Our new 7,200 square foot junior ballroom, the Savannah Ballroom, is highlighted by wood-trimmed entry portals, flowing graphics in the carpet, and metallic chandeliers in the wood-coffered ceilings. This elegant space has plenty of natural light, with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the garden area and side-light views toward the courtyard. Shades for privacy are available if desired. The Savannah Ballroom features a dedicated loading dock and banquet kitchen. A manicured garden connects directly to the Savannah Ballroom, providing an outdoor respite during an event break or a reception area. The Savannah Ballroom also connects directly to the new courtyard, which serves as a central outdoor meeting space for guests to unwind or for planned activities or programming. It features a large digital wall and is perfect for receptions and parties. Nothing like fresh air and sunshine. We look forward to planning your next event at the Cobb Convention Center Atlanta, a modern events hub located in Atlanta's most in-demand neighborhood.